Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. This week we have had a spell of the green finger monster and well we thought we'd do a bit of a garden overhaul. So when 5-Star Tool reached out to us with this Zhipu mini cordless electric chainsaw, we couldn't resist wanting to review it and get a bit of action cutting some stuff up. So yes, here it is. It cost around £40, that's around 53 in US dollars. And it comes in this nice bright luminous green and black colour tone. I do like the feel of the trigger button. It's totally wireless, portable, and inside of the unit there is that strong pure copper motor. Alright, the box itself is a bit tatty, basically comes in bubble wrap. That's the only protective packaging you get, I'm afraid. Nevertheless, we are supplied with a 24-volt lithium ion battery that can be easily slid and locked into place at the bottom of the chainsaw handle. Do we have power? Yeah, there's a bit of power going, and it's not too over the top and noisy. That's pretty good. We are sadly supplied with a foreign power adapter. It's okay though, nothing that a travel adapter can't resolve, and to charge it, you simply got to slide that battery pack back out and insert that adapter into the top of it, which I may note you can also buy a spare battery if need be. Now we do have that chainsaw guide bar, which if you're like me and you don't follow the instructions, because basically there aren't any. Yeah, no instructions for a chainsaw, that's real safe. Well, if you are like me, you may make that same mistake that I did by simply placing the chain the wrong way around that chain guide. If you do that and you put the whole chainsaw together, trust me, it won't cut a thing, just like this, look. You see? So yeah, back to the TOP. Now before we put that chain properly on, I will note that we are given a little screwdriver and a little wrench, which are basically the tools that you will need to insert that chain onto the chain guide. So let's go ahead and place it on, but first, please make sure, if you're going to do this, make sure that that battery is took off. You don't want to lose your fingers. So what we're going to do is insert that chain the correct way around, with the teeth facing forward, making sure that the end of that chain is placed around the motor teeth upon the chainsaw. At first the chain may be slack, so what you need to do is locate that adjustment tightening screw to the side. It's basically on the opposite end of the chainsaw, and you simply got to adjust it until it's tight enough around the chain guide. So once it's on, reattach that dust cover, apply that locking nut and tighten it up, and we are ready to roll. Right away, we are going to test this mini chainsaw out on a tree that we intend to remove. Yes, a thick tree, so we're going to cut it up basically. Now this Zhipu chainsaw, it does feel comfortable in hand. I did feel comfortable and confident, quite safe in fact, even without wearing no safety glasses, no. And that is thanks to that widened baffle to the top, which does stop a lot of sawdust from splashing up towards my face. The chainsaw itself is surprisingly very impressive, cutting through real thick branches and makes the job of chopping up logs look real easy. Now for overuse protection, this chainsaw does have an overcurrent protection. It has a temperature protection too. It has real good ventilation, providing fast heat dissipation. Overall, as chainsaws go, well, mini ones in fact, I personally did like this one. I've got to be honest, I've never heard of the Zhipu brand before, and I'm really glad that 5-Star Tools reached out to us with this little chainsaw unit. It's basically a peace of mind just to have a nice little tool like this placed at the bottom of your toolbox. I think it does have an added value, and I think whether you are cutting down a hedge branches, cutting through thick roots, basically whatever you're cutting through within your garden, I do think that this mini chainsaw is up to the job and is definitely worth a look, with the fact that the battery lasts around 30 minutes with continuous use. I do think today I'm not going to quite give it a 10 out of 10, maybe a 9. I definitely feel that an instruction manual is a must-have, especially when dealing with potentially dangerous tools. But yeah guys, if you'd like to check this out, I will leave a link in the video description down below. I'm not affiliated in any type of way, but if you have liked this video today and you found it interesting, well why not go ahead and go get yours. While you're in that video description guys, please go ahead and smash a like on this video, I'd very much appreciate it. Even more so, please subscribe to this channel and show some support. Making sure to hit that bell notification option though, so you guys stay updated upon our new uploads. Now it's been great reviewing a lot of tools in the past few weeks, and we're going to get back to our gardening now. So as usual guys, please stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!